Becoming a great chef takes dedication and being creative. It's not always about fancy kitchen machines. You know what you really need to cook with? A knife and a cutting board. Let's go.
When I first learned how to chop an onion, I could barely look over the kitchen counter. Later in university, instead of studying for my degree in chemical engineering, I procrastinated a lot and spent all of my free time in the kitchen cooking for friends. So I followed my heart and transitioned into a career as a chef and joined the best fine dining restaurant in town.
Hi, I'm Ross Hutchison, and this is Chefcademy.
Although I grew up in Texas, I always wanted to experience flavors from around the world. In 2007, I had a huge opportunity to be the head chef on a 60-meter super yacht, cook for celebrities like Martha Stewart, Nelson Mandela for his 89th birthday, Michael Douglas, and plenty more. Then I traveled to Seattle, Washington, where I catered for the Google offices, and to New York City as a personal chef. These experiences opened my eyes to different cultures, diets, and food trends that form the backbone of my cooking style today.
As life goes, I found myself on boats again, and this time as a head chef on a 100-meter yacht. The yacht traveled to Mallorca, Spain, and I instantly fell in love with this island and decided to open up a company called Private Chef Mallorca here.
Today, 10 years later, I'm in the Kitchen Space Palma, my culinary lab where I host chef's tables, cooking courses, and get creative for Private Chef Mallorca.
Long story short, I've gained a 360-degree view of working as a chef in all facets of the food industry. I've probably cooked in close to 1,000 kitchens in my private chef work alone, and now it's time to pass that knowledge to you.
With Chefcademy, I've created an online resource for you to learn and to be inspired to perfect your skills. We will cover a ton of topics, like the art of pasta making, beautiful, handcrafted, and easier than you think. Sourdough bread, a foolproof method that I've perfected over the last 8 years. Plating techniques using brightly flavored sauces and with unreal texture and mouthfeel. Smart canapes, the party pleasers that can be assembled in minutes, saving you time. Fermentation and preservation, so you can be more resourceful and unlock the new flavors in your cooking. And how to prepare any protein using classic techniques, as well as kitchen hacks that save you time and enhance the flavors of your dishes. And how to leave a lasting impression on your guests through show-stopping desserts, including vegan alternatives that will surprise everyone.
Cooking is all about alchemy. You mix the flavors and textures and aromas, you use all your senses, and the key is being intuitive about it. I will help you gain confidence in the kitchen, apply techniques, and be inspired for your next career step. Trust me, people who have tasted your food after you've trained with me will always be hungry for more.